about 4 years old, but it's only been run for about 3.5 years. I thought it'd be interesting to see. This has only ever been run on this C2 kerosene. Indoor bars, not for indoor heaters. This was from Right Oil. I'll leave a link in the description. Not sponsored, but that's what I was using, just because it's easier for them to deliver it, and I can't really pick up a big 20 litre one. Struggle with the 5 litres. Usually pour half out and just leave them half to top it up. But yeah, it's good stuff. You see on here, I'm looking now, that's the exhaust. There doesn't seem to be any soot in there at all. Let me get that on there. It's sort of a pale brown on there. What you see inside is actually the glow plug in. I've got error 03, and so I do stop and start it a lot. I won't leave it on if I'm going inside for a while. Let's have a look in here. That's just a little rusty, but even in there, let's see in there, even in there, it is just rusty from, it is outside anyway, it's just in a little wooden enclosure, like a half enclosure, so there's really no soot in there at all. But again, inside here, in there, a tiny bit of soot, maybe just around the exhaust port, but on the whole, I would say it's pretty good. More corrosion than actual soot. I'm just going to get that little wire brush out, put a new glow plug in, hopefully that's it. Bit of fuel for it. No, it still says E03. Oh no. I must have done the control, haven't I? Shorten it out. 03. Right, so this is the fault with the diesel heater. When you click on, it goes straight to E03. And that says in the book that it's a glow plug, but it's a new glow plug in there, and that old glow plug does still work. I'll try and find out why that's doing that. Right, so I've found on the board here, on this MOSFET, I think it is, we've got a dead short on here. You can see that. So that's a dead short on there, so I'm going to remove that, see if I've got something similar. Right, I've looked up, this is an N-channel MOSFET, which is 85 amp, 85 volt, 120 amps, and I've found a similar replacement. It's a little bit lower on spec, it's 68 volt, we're only running off at 12 volt anyway, so that shouldn't matter, and 90 amp. Put a little bit of flux on there already. Right, see that? Alright. I want to stick together. Butchering that soldering. That flux no good or what? Come on. That's it. Alright, so I've just confirmed that he's working out. It's come up E04 on there now because there is no fuel pump connected right now. But the MOSFET is working. So if you get that error 03, and the glow plug tested right, it's that MOSFET more than likely. Yeah, toasty warm again. Brilliant. Well, thanks for watching.